Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week.
In today's video tip, we're going to review two different methods you can use to rig a topping lift aboard your boat. A topping lift is a series of lines and blocks that is used to control the end of the boom when hoisting or reefing your mainsail or when motoring. In the first method, you attach a long line to the top of the mast and run it down to a small block as shown. A second line is attached to an eye strap or similar fitting at the end of your boom, run up through the block and then down to a cheek block mounted on the side of the boom and forward to a cleat. In the second method, you start by tying the long line to the eye strap at the end of the boom. Run it up to a swivel block at the top of the masthead and back down to the cheek block mounted on the side of your boom and forward to a cleat. This allows the greatest amount of adjustment for the topping lift and can act as a secondary halyard in case your mainsail halyard breaks and can save you a trip to the masthead. Now you know two ways to use a topping lift aboard your sailboat: when hoisting, lowering, or reefing your mainsail, or when under engine power alone. Use these easy sailing tips for safer sailing on the waters of the world.
This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.